The Axxon Next software package offers numerous options to optimize the operator's workflow. These functions are available via the User Interface tab. The Use as OS Shell option allows you to automatically load Axxon Next instead of the standard OS shell. This prevents users from launching any applications, copying and deleting files, working with operation system windows. If you activate the period of inactivity option, the system automatically exits or locks the client if the user is idle. What means doesn't use the keyboard, mouse or joystick for a specified time period. If you activate Show Prompts option, tooltips will be displayed when you hover the mouse cursor over a control element. Tooltips are enabled by default. Activate the Smooth Motion option to preserve stable video picture while changing the position of viewing tiles, as well as for smooth switching between them. By activating the Show Video Statistics option, the camera window displays frame rate and resolution of both displayed and incoming video streams, the bit rate of the compressed video stream. You can disable previews of alarm events in the camera window. Activate the Enable Map Auto Zoom on Alarm option to automatically focus the map on the alarm camera. By default, the client's main and additional displays are set to full screen mode. To switch to windowed mode, use the corresponding options. By default, viewing mode selector buttons for live and recorded video are located outside the camera window. If you prefer having them inside the window, select the Show Control buttons at the side of Video Image checkbox. To move the viewing buttons of the context menu, export buttons, outside the camera window, deselect Allow controls on top of video image. To hide the date from the time indicator, use the corresponding option. You can also hide the camera ID by deselecting Show Camera ID. If the screen video resolution is lower than the incoming camera streams, you can activate the Optimize Layout Video to reduce CPU usage option, which automatically reduces the number of pixels displayed in the layout. With this option activated, image quality may noticeably decrease. Select the Intel Quick Sync option to apply hardware acceleration for video encoding or decoding, implemented in some Intel processors. This technology provides faster results, and reduces the video footprint on server CPU performance. Keep aspect ratio and adjust video frame border options, allow you to fine-tune camera windows within the layout. By default, the map shows video only from cameras, not included in the current layout. You can mass enable or disable video thumbnails from all cameras using the Show Camera Thumbnails on Map option. Set the interval for automated switching between layouts with the Slideshow Period option. These are the user interface options.